Here at the Pristine Global Show with Elena from AIS Water. Elena, how important it is for it to be an Australian company here in Europe at the Pristine Show?
I think it's crucial because we skipped quite a few years not attending, and we believed that people just should know about us because AIS it's so important. But then you realize that if you are not present, people just don't know what you're capable of. And I think for Australian companies, it's a must to attend the show and to showcase beautiful technology because Australia has a great reputation of being innovators, of having the quality technology. So the presence is crucial, so we can see what's available. So we are not confined in the confined space when we don't know what's going on around. So we can show, we can see what other companies globally, what they are making, and just showcase what we have. So I believe it is very important.
And what message are you driving here as an Australian-owned company? What message are you driving to the other exhibitors and also the visitors here at this show?
I think the biggest message that we were leading the industry globally 30 years ago, and we still in the forefront position.
What would you say to an Australian company that feels like they might want to come to Europe, or it might be a good way to expand their current network? What would you say to them?
Firstly, I believe you need to be, like any Australian company, need to be ready. They need to ensure that they have product that will be attractive to the European or to global market, that all certifications are in place, the presentation of the product is very good, and then just go for it.
And you were recently at another show in the US as well. Was that a successful show?
Dallas was a bit smaller than we expected, but I always believe it's better, less is more. So there were less visitors, but we believe we had few quality visitors. We already quoted on few projects.
Wow, so AIS is getting around the world in absolutely every market they currently can. How important is it to be seen in the US market as well? Is it a different market over there?
It is a very different market, and I believe that US market is a bit behind, so the technology is quite outdated. So to promote Australian technology to US market, it's very important. But again, US is great in protecting their own market. They've got benchmark, and the global companies need to have appropriate certification. So that would be UL, electrical safety for residential products, and NSF and UL for the commercial products. And I believe that in Australia that's what we need, so we wouldn't be flooded with the inferior products that will finish in our landfill.
Yeah, right. And what does an Australian manufacturing company need to know if they wanted to come to the European market? What would be your top 3 things for them to know before expanding to the European market?
Firstly, probably do research of what is available already on the market, and compare how your product withstand that competition. What probably 5 top things that would attract European, because Europe has a very different expectations from the product. Of course, like they are price sensitive, but also they look at the product presentation, so appearance and aesthetics. So that plays a big role. And like AIS, we have our classic model, which were very popular in Australia because it's very robust. It's like a tank. Its lifespan is very high. So Queensland especially love this product, but I don't think that it would be something that is attractive to European market, who is more more aesthetics and more style in the product. That's why our Neo it brings a lot of innovation and also attract European customers.